What's going on YouTube? We blew past 100 subscribers from my last video. Thank you guys for all the support. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about new projects you should be looking to get into and just some other projects to keep on your radar. Before we get into it, quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this video is financial advice. Always make sure to do your own research before purchasing anything, and let's get right into it. I have a ton of info for you guys today, so make sure to stick around to the end. The first project that I'm going to be talking to you guys about is called Heroes of Mabia. This project is pretty much a crossover between Axie Infinity and Clash of Clans. This project already has a good amount of hype. They have about 55,000 members in their Discord right now. And I'm going to run through their roadmap really quick for you guys. So in Q1 of this year, they're going to have their token launch and their NFT sale. They're going to launch the Mabia token. They'll have staking pools inside of their marketplace. They're going to be selling land, hero, and statue NFTs. Q2, they're going to be doing alpha and beta testing, internal alpha testing, web platform QA testing, and private beta testing for their future game. Q3, they're going to do a public beta launch. You'll be able to test their beta publicly. They'll have a web platform release and an NFT marketplace launch. So they're going to be launching their own marketplace for the NFTs inside of this game. And Q4, they're going to have their complete game launch of version 1, their Ruby token launch, and gameplay balancing, and more NFT releases to come in Q4. So this is Mavia's website. I'll leave this link in the description. It's just mavia.com, but they're going to be having NFTs, a bridge, staking, all inside of this game. Here's a little preview of some of their characters that are going to be inside of the game, which will be individual NFTs, I believe. You'll be able to build a base like Clash of Clans and defend from enemy invaders. You'll also be able to attack enemy bases with over 12 different infantry, vehicle, and air units. Each unit has specific strengths and weaknesses, so it'll definitely be a strategic game. When you successfully raid other people's bases, you'll be able to earn Ruby and other in-game resources such as gold and oil, which your base produces, but you'll be able to get more from raiding other people's bases, which pretty much connects hand in hand with Clash of Clans type of gold and elixir. After you've raided other bases for Ruby, you'll be able to upgrade your base, heroes, and statue NFTs. So you'll be able to use the Ruby to upgrade your NFTs in the game, increasing their value. And bases can be only grown by upgrading HQ level with Ruby. Having higher level heroes will help you defend your base and raid other bases better. Also, statues enhance your base performance. So getting that Ruby will definitely be very useful in upgrading and playing along in the game. Mabia is also making their own NFT marketplace, so you'll be able to play the entire game all on their marketplace, and you'll be able to live stream battles and replays. You'll also be able to collab inside the game with other players just by using their wallet address. And so you'll just put in their wallet address and their name, and you can generate passive income and manage your base partnerships all throughout the marketplace that they're making. And there will be global rankings and stats for all the players inside of this game. This is some of the companies that they're backed by, Binance and all the other ones. This is currently their Scry Studio team, which is the people developing the game, I believe. Now I'm going to give you guys a breakdown on how to get whitelist for this project. So they started on January 6th, and this will last until January 20th. They'll have 3 different rarities for their land. One will be common, one will be rare, and one will be legendary. The common land will be a 0.3 ETH mint, 70% of the land supply. Their rare will be 0.6 ETH, 20% of their land supply, and their legendary will be 0.9 ETH and 10% of their land supply. And there's a total of 2,000 land whitelist spots. The mint price is definitely a little bit expensive for the land pieces, but I think in the long run of the game, this definitely could be a good play to hold a piece of land and own something inside of this game, just because they're making their own marketplace and they'll have an entire game based off of owning land. So to be able to participate, you'll need to own a piece of land. They currently have 4 different ways to earn your whitelist spot. One is through art and memes. They have 300 whitelist spots available for them. So if you just make high quality art or memes, anything along the lines to catch their attention, you could definitely apply for that whitelist and see if you have any luck. The next way will be content. So if you're a content creator, you'll be able to apply for this whitelist spot. There'll be 900 whitelist spots available. The content requirements are all here. The next way will be through the community, such as Discord or Twitter. If you're just engaging with them, there will be 700 whitelist spots available for this way. The fourth and final way will be if you're an influencer with a good amount of social media following, you'll be able to DM the team and talk with them about being a partner with their game. They're looking for partners that are really interested in the game and not just some people who are going to post on their social media about the game and not really care about it. You're also able to apply to all four of those pools. So if you have more than one skill, you can apply to all four of them. So make sure to use those before January 20th when they close this off. I'll make sure to leave this link in the description so you guys can read through all the specifics on this page, but that's just a quick breakdown for you guys. The next project that I want to talk to you guys about is called Metroverse. This project launches on January 18th. I believe it's all whitelist mint, and there's going to be 10,000 of them. It's another land project. They're each unique land pieces. Here's a couple sneak peeks for you guys of all the different land pieces that they're going to be bringing out. I believe whatever doesn't sell in the whitelist sale will go to the public sale on the 19th of January. In this project, you'll be able to collect, trade, and stake your city blocks to earn their MET token. I'll give you guys a quick rundown on the roadmap. So first, they're going to be doing their mint of the 10,000 Genesis city blocks. Next, they're going to be releasing their MET token to be able to start staking. Then they'll be doing their reveal on OpenSea and the Metroverse website. The MET token will launch next, and players will be able to claim and use their MET for their staked city blocks. Next, they'll have mayors available to mint, 1,000 Genesis mayors available. And finally, they're going to be doing a PvP game release. So mayors are introduced, adding player versus player experience to the gameplay. And here's a little slideshow of all their city blocks with their unique scores and everything. The mint price for this project will be 0.1 Ethereum, and you'll be able to mint a maximum of 2 per wallet. Each city block will be represented as an NFT. The city blocks contain a random combination of Metroverse buildings. Their block score will be calculated based on the buildings placed within that block. Their MET token will be passively earned through staking your city block NFT. This project will definitely be one to keep on your radar for the public mint if you're able to get into that or scoop it for cheap on OpenSea after they mint. The next project I want to talk to you guys about real quick is called Antonym. This project currently has a locked Discord, but they have a ton of hype around them. Their artwork is pretty insane. Here's a few sneak peeks for you guys. I would definitely recommend following this account on Twitter and turning on the notifications and trying to get into this Discord as soon as possible to try and get on their whitelist. This project also announced that they're going to be doing a collab with Pixelmon, which is another super hype project that I would definitely keep an eye on, and I'm going to be talking to you guys about next. I listened into an AMA the other night with the founders of this project, and I'm pretty bullish on what I've heard. After purchasing your NFT, you may also be able to get a physical collectible that comes in many different sizes and designs. So for those of you who are interested in physical collectibles, this definitely could be a project to keep on your radar and try and get into. Antonym has a good amount of hype around them already. They have 40,000 followers on Twitter, and they post the Discord links to get into their Discord every once in a while on their Twitter, so just make sure to follow them and have their notifications on so you don't miss out on getting in there. The final project that I want to talk to you guys about is called Pixelmon. This project has a ton of hype around it. They have 91,000 followers on Twitter. They're doing the collab with Antonym. They're pretty much bringing Pokemon into the metaverse, and you'll be able to train, trade, and fight and evolve your Pixelmon all in one through your NFTs. They post Discord links to their locked Discord every once in a while, so make sure to follow them on Twitter and turn on their notifications as well to try and get in there. If you're able to get into their Discord, they have less than 6,000 people inside of it right now, so that's definitely an upper hand to get the whitelist on this project. They have different tribes that you can select inside, so you can do air, fire, earth, or water. They currently have alpha calls inside of their Discord as well, so if you're able to get in there, you'll be able to use those. Here's a couple sneak peeks for you guys. I highly recommend keeping this project on your radar as they have a lot of hype, and I could see this project doing very well. So make sure to try and get into their Discord and get on that whitelist as soon as you can. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys made it to the end, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite part was. Also, if you guys aren't already, follow me on Twitter at 0x_dab for daily activity alpha and some whitelist giveaways like I have one going right now. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.